Friends, hi everyone. I would like to introduce you to this particular type of wood material. For those who are unaware, this particular type of wood is commonly known as bog oak wood. What sets it apart from a typical oak tree? This is the unique story and age of this particular oak tree. For instance, this is a sample of wood. The age of this object is approximately 3,000 years old, making it a fascinating historical artifact. Those who are interested in this topic know that it is true. Oak wood contains tannins inside, certain substances that enable the tree to endure and persist for countless centuries, spanning millennia, contributing to its remarkable longevity and resilience. I would like to provide you with a product manufactured from this type of wood. These are beads designed for individuals who enjoy creating things using their own hands. This is an incredibly cool and energizing wood. Here are the beads that have a similar appearance to this. Large diameter, about 20 mm. You have the ability to produce a variety of products. The tree is exceptionally beautiful. The surface of it is covered with wax. This particular item is also not waxed. I will be able to leave a hyperlink for purchasing this tree under this video clip, and you will be able to go to the Etsy store and place an order for yourself. Sending from America. I am in California now, hence delivery is rapidly done with USPS.